Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to conquer Plants vs. Zombies Roof Level 3. First, focus on establishing a strong sun economy. Plant 2 columns of sunflowers early on to ensure a steady sun supply. Remember, all plants on the roof require a flower pot, so factor that into your sun costs. Also, purchase roof cleaners from Crazy Dave. They act as crucial last resort defenses since there are no lawnmowers on the roof. For your offensive strategy, cabbage pults and kernel pults are vital as they can lob projectiles over the roof slant. Upgrade to melon pults for superior damage and splash attacks against groups. To counter bungee zombies, strategically place umbrella leaves. They deflect incoming threats within a 3x3 area. Don't forget magnetrooms to strip away helmets, buckets, and ladders from tougher zombies, making them easier to defeat. The roof introduces unique challenges. Gargantuars require instant kill plants like cherry bombs or jalapenos for quick elimination. Protect your most valuable plants, especially those in central columns, by encasing them in pumpkins to defend against bungee and catapult zombie attacks. Always place high-value plants away from the roof edges to reduce their vulnerability. Also, remember that coffee beans allow you to use powerful nocturnal mushrooms, like doom shrooms, during daylight hours. Strategic plant placement is key to success. Dedicate the first 2 columns to sunflowers, potentially upgrading to twin sunflowers for maximum sun generation. Arrange umbrella leaves to overlap their 3x3 protection zones, safeguarding multiple plants from bungee zombies. Establish your primary offensive line with melon pults in the middle columns for widespread damage. Finally, deploy tall nuts and spike rocks in the front to absorb damage and slow down advancing zombies, especially gargantuars.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.